is at its finest.
And the off. Early lead is taken by Santos Royal from the outside, and by the rail, the favorite, Gypsy Gray. It's now Gypsy Gray, Santos Royal, and Maglev unopposed, Macedonian on the outside, and Reyes Gold on the farther outside is So Gorgeous, Well Alert. And nearing the far turn, it's still Gypsy Gray by the rail, Santos Royal running in second on the outside, and Maglev Macedonian unopposed, moving up in between horses. Reyes Gold, So Gorgeous, Well Alert, and Beauty Contender is bringing up the rear. Rounding the far turn, it's still the favorite, and that is Gypsy Gray by a length and a half, followed by Santos Royal and Maglev by the rail, unopposed on the farther outside. Reyes Gold moving up now in fifth, and here comes So Gorgeous. And at the top stretch, Santos Royal on the outside, by the rail is Gypsy Gray, and Maglev moving up on the inside. At the top of the stretch, it's Santos Royal on the outside, Maglev by the rail, and Gypsy Gray. It's Santos Royal in the lead, followed by Gypsy Gray and Maglev by the rail. So Gorgeous in the farther outside, unopposed, and Reyes Gold. And here in the fourth line is still Santos Royal, followed by Gypsy Gray on the outside. And finally at the fourth line, Santos Royal, Gypsy Gray, and close for third. So Gorgeous, unopposed.
Siguro